Yeah, my name is Marcus, and I carry my bird around with me everywhere.
Marcus is absolutely ridiculous.
I don't see what the problem is. I love my bird,
Where are you going with that?
and my bird loves me.
No, 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 out, 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 out. That damn bird cage ruined my marriage.
You see, what people don't understand is that this bird is more than just a bird. This bird represents more than just a bird. This bird is existence. This bird is experience. This bird is life. I carry my bird around with me because this bird brings me comfort and joy. This bird is comfort and joy. Without this bird, I am nothing but a man. A man without a bird.